Ever hit a bump in the middle of a corner and suddenly felt your bike go unsettled? That feeling makes sense. When you leaned over, your tires are already using a large part of their grip to keep the motorcycle turning. Then you hit a bump, the suspension has to absorb that impact while the tires tries to maintain contact with the road. For a moment, the load and grip on the tire can change. And because you are already leaned over, you feel that change much more. That's why a bump that feels small on a straight road can feel completely different in a corner. The smoother your inputs, the calmer the bike stays.